I'm going to show you how to set up a timer for photos on Snapchat. Start by opening the app and navigating to the camera screen, where you'll see the familiar Snapchat camera interface. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a small down arrow icon. Tap this down arrow to expand more camera options, which may include the timer, grid, flash, and more. Locate and tap on the timer icon. Keep in mind to only tap it once for the photo timer. Tapping it twice would set up a video timer instead, which we don't need for the setup. Once you've activated the timer, you'll see the icon turn bold, indicating the timer is enabled. Now, press the up arrow on the right side to collapse the settings back, making it easier to view your full camera screen. When you're ready, simply frame your shot as desired. The timer will give you 3 seconds to get into position or adjust any last details.